Hey YouTube, back with another video. This time I'm not really going to be talking about VeChain, and I've been going over that token quite a bit. Today I wanted to just focus on another token that I've had my eye on. I bought this token probably a couple of weeks ago, and I've seen some really nice positive gains from this altcoin. This is probably a low to medium cap coin. There isn't the market cap is fairly low, especially below 5 million, but it is increasing every day. This is a token you've probably not heard of. This is one that is quite under the radar, but I really think that this has huge bullish potential moving forwards, and I really think that over the next couple of months, even maybe over the next couple of years, I think this has massive potential to pump quite significantly. Please watch the end of the video. You can see maybe where I'm coming from, some of the data that I'm going to present to you today, and hopefully I hope you find it useful. And just to give a bit of a background story, if you're not aware, XRP and ADA or Cardano are also looking to help fund say developing countries and help the unbanked. So they have really good platforms, and I think they may do really well in the long term, but they're not actually focusing on the developing nations as such, and it's quite difficult for them to be involved with the cryptocurrency market. If you think about, for example, Binance, I believe they support quite a few currencies, but if you think about these developing nations, they're not going to have the expertise, or the majority of people aren't going to have the expertise or knowledge on how to use the Binance platform and how to do, buy and sell and so forth. So let me get straight to it. I've got quite a lot of tabs. Sorry, that's the wrong one. So this is Ferrum Network token. So at the moment, this is at 7 cents. It's had a 50% increase over the last week, and the current market cap was 8.18 million. I actually bought this when it was below 5 million market cap. Circulating supply is 115 million, so not completely outrageous, but it has a max supply of 331 million moving forwards. So the Galaxy score on this at the moment, this is Lunar Crush, which is quite a good website, 61.5 out of 100, which again isn't too bad. And you can see it's had exponential growth over the last couple of months. It's having a little bit of a retracement now, but I think this growth will continue moving forwards. They've had quite a lot of feeds, 62, so higher scores better, so they're just under halfway, and altcoin rank is 242. When I actually got into this token, there were about 480, so they're definitely making their way up on the rankings. The social volume has gone up by 82%, and their social engagement is up by 220%, which is pretty big. And you can see some of the feedback we've got on the left there. So Ferrum has a platform that's mainly focusing on Nigeria. You can see Nigeria has a population of 206 million people, and that's quite a significant proportion considering that the United States has 350 million people. So based off the worldwide population, we're looking at a large proportion of the world's total population, which you can see is 2.64% of the world's population. If we move forwards to a news article that I found regarding Nigeria, you can see that, I'm not going to go through all of this, but you can see about 41.6% of adults are currently financially excluded from the banking system that is currently utilized in Nigeria, and that's a big proportion of people. Most of those people probably have access to some kind of phone, internet, computer of some sort, but unfortunately they don't have any access to banking, and I think this will make a massive difference to them. It will probably start off with some Nigerian population that has a higher income, and then that will then have a ripple effect to everyone else in the country. In terms of GDP, Nigeria is the second ranked country, or highest ranked country in Africa, and they're set to rise. quite significantly moving forwards. Again, just moving on to the annual growth rate of Nigeria, you can see that it's been fluctuating quite a bit. At the moment, it's taking a little bit of a hit. I think that's because of COVID-19, and it's dropped down to 1.87%. But maybe when we come towards the end of this COVID scenario, I do see Nigeria becoming, say, the next China of the world, and I can see that their nation is going to get exponential growth moving forwards, along with India also. So what is Ferrum Network? So Ferrum is essentially a platform that allows users to use blockchain to enable transactions between users in a user-friendly application, and that is key here. It has to be fast and it has to be user-friendly. If you're not going to have a user-friendly application, then nobody's going to use it or know how to use it. So it's a decentralized financial application, and it's based on DeFi. They also provide DeFi products, and they provide tools to be able to invest, transact, exchange, store, and earn. You can see here you've got the first Cuddy card or gateway to be able to spend digital assets across many people in Africa, and I think this is a really big thing because it's also got ability to convert to Naira, which is the Nigerian currency. So people can directly use their local currency along with also having funds in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies within that First Cuddy platform. I've also got Unifier, which is a wallet where they can store their currencies, and also they are planning to launch a DEX at some point soon. They also are looking to have like a cold storage for your crypto, which is also pretty cool that they're looking to launch at some point. If you can see, they have Earn platform. So if you withdraw your currency early, you get a 12% annual earn interest on your holdings. But if you keep your Ferrum in the holdings for a longer period of time, you will get 50% returns, or up to 50% returns. This is their plan. So they've got the public testnet launching in Q3, and in Q4 they've got mainnet release, and then finally they're going to have Sub-Zero release in 2021. And these are the partners. So you've got pretty good partners. Not that many, but I can see that perhaps they might be growing in the future. The key thing I really want to focus on here is the First Cuddy card platform. If I just go over to the Google Play Store, you can see that you can use your Naira with Bitcoin and GUSD. There's only 1,000 plus downloads of this application, and there's 63 reviews. And the thing I like about the reviews is that there's also negative reviews, which is good because it shows me that this is a genuine app and these are genuine reviews that are being fed back to the team. Quite a few people are saying, well, it needs a bit of tidying up. It's a little bit rough around the edges, which I suppose is kind of expected for this early type platform. But I think the real big incentive is being able to use your Naira and convert that into other cryptocurrencies, or convert your cryptocurrencies into Naira, which is a really powerful tool. So if this really hits traction, and say if this really starts getting adopted by a lot of people in Nigeria, even if they had $1, you're looking at a $202 market cap, $202 million market cap. I'm sorry. This is the biggest thing. So if you go into Google Trends and you search Bitcoin, so I'll just search Bitcoin on here, and I chose worldwide. You can see that we're starting to see an uptrend again. But what I really wanted to show you was that, and this has been like this for a long period of time, that you can see Nigeria here, it tops the list over a period of time. They are the group that are searching for crypto news, crypto information, and you can see they are one of the most active regions that I was looking into cryptocurrency, and that region has been the most active region for the last year, I would say, or even longer, moving forward. So that's some really good news. And just one final thing, I'll just quickly show you what the status is so far. If I just go to CoinGecko and we just have a look at Ethereum, you can see that price has dropped today, which is not great, but the market cap is only 8 million, which is not a lot at all. So I think this has huge potential to grow. So let me know what you think. Hope you like my content. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you, everyone.